There was a point where everything looked fine from the outside. Plans were made, goals were written, and motivation came and went like usual. But inside it felt messy. You know that feeling when you know what to do but still don't do it. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't care, but because something just doesn't click. So one day, instead of watching another how to be disciplined video, you open Claude. No big expectations, just curiosity. You type something simple, something like, I keep delaying things even when they matter to me. What comes back isn't just advice, it's clarity. It breaks down your behavior, points out patterns, says things you have felt but never properly framed. And suddenly, it feels like you're not stuck anymore. You're understood. That's the moment things start changing. Hi everyone, my name is Levikah, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to increase your productivity, how you can use Claude to understand your habits, how you can use Claude to build real consistency in your life. Before going further, understand this properly. Claude isn't just one AI tool. It has many ways you can use it. It has three main parts: chat, co-work, and code. For self-development, you don't need everything. You just need one thing done right: chat. Because self-development isn't about tools, it's about the conversations you avoid having with yourself. And chat removes that gap. But here's the mistake most people make. They open it and ask something basic, like how to be disciplined. Read the answer and leave. So nothing changes. Because they never go beyond basic answers. If you want this to actually work, you have to be more real. Instead of asking, how do I stop procrastinating? You can write, I delay studying even when I have time. I pick my phone without thinking. I feel guilty after. Break this down and tell me what's actually happening with me. Now it has something real to work with. Now the answer becomes specific. And this is where you take a step further. You don't just talk, you actually build something. A system that understands you. Inside Claude, you can create something called a project. Think of it like your own personal space, where everything is focused on you, your patterns, your goals, your behavior. Now I'm going to demonstrate this step by step on my screen. How to access Claude Projects. So here's what to do. Click on Projects, New Project. Name your project, something that relates. For example, Daily Reset. Now describe your project, what it's about, goals, etc. I've created a simple description. Then click on Create Project. Now you can see the instructions here. Add instructions to tailor Claude's responses. Click on plus and paste the instructions. And if you want to follow along properly, you can find the full Claude setup instructions in the pinned comment and description. Now paste the instructions here. Now save instructions. Now this isn't a chatbot anymore. This becomes consistent. It starts recognizing how you think, what are the loopholes, and frameworks properly. Now imagine your day like this. Morning. You don't wake up and instantly grab your phone and get attracted to messages and reels. Instead, you open your project. You write, here's what I need to do today. Help me prioritize. Not a long list, not 10 things at once. Just clarity. What matters today? What can wait? And what you usually avoid but shouldn't. And suddenly your day won't feel scattered anymore. It feels directed. Afternoon. This is where most people lose control. You feel distracted, a little bored, a little tired, and suddenly you quit. Your hand automatically goes to the phone, but this time instead of scrolling, you pause. You open the project and type something like, I'm avoiding work again. I'm getting distracted. I'm procrastinating. Help me figure out why. And in that exact moment, you break the pattern. Instead of escaping that feeling, you look at it. And it shows you things like, maybe you're overwhelmed, maybe you're tired, or just mentally sad. Now you're not just reacting, you are understanding. Night, this is where it becomes powerful. Not a perfect summary, not to impress anyone, just honest. For example, this is how my day went. I planned this, but it went like this. I had to do this, but I couldn't because of this. I did this well. I felt distracted at this point. And it responds like a mirror. No filters, just real things. and clarity. It shows you where you avoided things, why you did so, and how you can improve it. Just practical advice, no sugarcoating. And things you didn't even notice start becoming visible. And slowly something shifts. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but quietly. You start noticing things earlier. Not at night, not after the day is gone, but in the moment. You're about to open your phone and your mind suddenly says, wait, this is that same pattern. You're about to delay something important and you recognize the pattern. That awareness is the beginning of control. And over time, your thinking becomes clearer because you're expressing more, not in perfect words, not in perfect grammatically correct sentences, just honestly. Your thoughts stop feeling heavy because they are not stuck inside your head anymore. They are seen, they are listened to, and clarified, and that changes more than you expect. Your decisions become sharper, your communication becomes clearer, and your confidence starts feeling real because now you actually understand yourself. This isn't about becoming perfect. You will still have off days. You will still procrastinate sometimes. You will still overthink sometimes. But you won't stay stuck there. Not for hours, not for days. You will notice it faster, reset quicker, and move again. That's real consistency. Not perfection, just returning faster. And the best part, it doesn't feel forced. It doesn't feel like you're pushing yourself all the time. It feels like you're finally paying attention to your own life. So if you're going to use Claude, don't use it casually. Don't treat it like just another app. Build something inside it. Something that actually reflects you, your thoughts, your patterns, and your behavior. Because when tools start understanding you, you stop feeling confused. You stop guessing what's wrong. And when you stop feeling lost, you actually start moving with the direction. Not loudly, not dramatically, but quietly and deeply. So if you want the full Claude setup, check the pinned comment and description. So this is Levikah, and if this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.